Hey everyone, it's Cathy Zielske here for Waffle Flower Crafts to share with you an idea using the Sneak Peek Club Kit number 6 for 2023. I'm so excited to share these products, so let's jump into it now. So here's a look at the Sneak Peek Kit, and let's open it up and see what's inside. We have the Bouquet Stencil Trio, which is a lovely trio that is going to allow you to create that wonderful bouquet look. And there are little star or diamond shapes actually in there, and that is so cute. We have the Multiple Presents Die and Stencil, and I am so excited to play with this today because I love the idea behind this for creating multiple images at once. And we have this lovely set of sentiment strips that are perfect for gifts and gift cards and birthday. All right, let's get some paper and get started with some ink blending. All right, I'm just going to pop this stencil on and I'll tape it down because it doesn't really matter. It's very easy to line up. So I'm going to tape the top into place like this. And I will tape the bottom as well. And I've got Post-it notes to do some masking as needed, but again, you can easily see through this to line it up. So let me grab my first ink, which is going to be Pink Lemonade. And I'm going to start blending and shifting the stencil. So I'm going to put some music on. I'll zoom in here just a little bit and show you how quickly this comes together. So I think some of them look better than others. So now the beautiful thing is I can take the one that I like the best. I can cut it out with the die and then we'll make the card. Well, actually too, you know what? I should cut these in half. That way I can do these nice and clean on the die cut machine. So we'll just go cut. You could use these as strips too if you want. Very cute. And let's cut that. I think that's my least favorite. I don't know what happened. All right, that's better. Now we can die cut, although that's really pretty too. Yes, I love these colors, so it's almost like every time I use any kind of pink and orange, I'm happy. Okay, get you guys lined up. All right, let me get a bunch cut out and we'll make a card. I'm going to use my little, what is this friend called? The Score Buddy. Took me a minute. Score Buddy to figure out my placement. And I actually feel like I saw a friend of mine do this and used it just to get that baseline perfectly level. Then all you have to do is take some low tack tape. Here I'm just going to take this tape here and pick it up. And now all of these pieces are perfectly lined up and I can get those ready for placement. So I'm going to set that aside and get a note card. Using my Score Buddy again, I'm going to score this right at 4 1/4. That. I want to do just a little, you know, this and just a special gift or something like that, but I want to put foam tape on the back. Okay, I'll take the backers off each one of these. Then I'm going to take a little bit of my liquid glue. This is Connect glue from Gina K, just so that I have a little float time because these stick so hard and fast. This just gives you a few seconds. And then what I can do is bring in my T-square, right? And I know I'm going to be, well, I'm going to be about here. Let's see if I can get that right about where I want it to be. Yeah, side to side, centered. I think that's going to be cute. Drop it down, push this up like that. Come on down and press. And then they stick enough, and then you can just peel back. Oh, and it takes off any die cut hairs too. Love that. So now I have this nicely lined up package row. So cute. Put a foam strip also on the back here. And what I will do is, again, add a little liquid glue for that little float time. And I'm going to pop it right in the center between these two, like that, because I kind of like that balance. Right there. Oh, so cute, so clean and simple. Let me add some embellishments. I'm going to bring in some clearly enough enamel dots because I really love these. I love these because number one, it's no muss, no fuss, and you can just pop them down. And there's no drama. They just go down beautifully. They add a nice bit of like clear shine without being too much. And just kind of, you know, have a few here. Also, if you don't love the look, you can always just take them off. They come off really easily before you really press them to adhere. You can even say, do I want to have one on a package? And the answer is oftentimes yes. Yes, I do. So a couple here on a package, and that way you have like a cluster coming right up the card. So that's just one card using some of the contents from the Waffle Flower Sneak Peek Kit number 6. Hope you have so much fun getting your hands on these products early and enjoy creating your crafty projects.